Assalamu alaikum. Hi.
I'm sure that you are all facing the same issue of mine, which is how we can reduce a little bit the cost on the fuel. So for me, today I'm gonna start few experiments and I will see what is the best out of that. Now, this product. So we'll see if it will improve the fuel consumption. And of course, for the tires, I have to set the tires with the right pressure. And let's see. I'm gonna use this product now. The name of it is Autumn X by XADO. Let's see how it will improve. Usually I'm getting 10 liters, 10.5 liters per 100 kilometer. So let's see now how it will go. I will reset it. So we will remember the car is zeros now. We'll order kafu. And then after that, we will put that one into the tank and we will see how much fuel we saved.